Now we're going to disassemble the Magna drive loader. There are 6 screws. Okay, so we get all the screws out, open the lid, and then we should be able to just slide apart the body shell. We get the body shell, we get the lid with the one-piece design, we get the battery door, we get the floor from inside, you'll get your battery pack, catch cup with drive system, and then we're going to remove the circuit board and the back plate. When you remove these, be careful to move them together so that you don't accidentally damage the button on the board. And off they come. And then that is the last part. So that's all of the insides and components of the loader.